Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hilyatul Husna Salsabila. Today I'm going to review one of the most inspiring movie I've ever watched, Door to Door. So this movie is based on the true story of Bill Potter, a man with cerebral palsy who never let his disability stop him from chasing his dream. Instead of focusing on his limitation, the movie shows how determination, kindness, and perseverance can change not only someone's life but also the lives of many others. Before talking about the story, let's start with the setting. So guys, the movie is set in Portland, Oregon, United States, mainly in the suburban neighborhoods where Bill walks from one house to another selling skin products. The story begins in 1950 and continues until the late 1990s. Allowing us to see Bill's personal growth, career, and the change that happened throughout his life. And guys, now let's talk about the main character. So the first and most important character is Bill Potter, of course. Bill has cerebral palsy, but he is determined, independent, friendly, and also disciplined. Even though he is rejected many times by potential customer, but he never gives up on his dream of becoming a successful door-to-door salesman. He refuses to be pitied because he wants to earn a living through his own hard work. Every day he will smile regardless of bad weather or physical pain. His determination and perseverance eventually allow him to build a genuine and lasting relationship with his customers. The second character is Erin Potter. She's a Bill's mother. She's caring, patient, and incredibly strong. She's always encouraged Bill to believe in himself and become independent. Instead of protecting him from every challenge, she also prepares him to face the real world by teaching him the values of patience and persistence. Those values become the foundation of Bill's life and career. Later in the story, Erin develops Alzheimer's disease, which becomes one of the most emotional moments in the movie, guys. And another important character is Shelley Brady. She becomes Bill's driver, assistant, and loyal friend after Erin health declines. Shelley is loyal, empathic, and caring, and she understands Bill's physical limitation without hurting his dignity. She always tries to help him while respecting his independence. Even when Bill refuses to change the way he works, Shelley continues to support him with passion and understanding. There is also Gladys Sullivan, one of Bill's first loyal customer, guys. Gladys is kind-hearted, compassionate, and loyal. As a widow who lives alone, she often feels lonely and socially isolated. However, she warmly welcomes Bill, enjoys talking with Bill, and faithfully supports him by buying his products. Her kindness gives Bill the confidence to continue his journey when many others reject him. The last important character is Alan. So he's Bill's supervisor at the Watkins Company. At first, Alan doubted Bill's ability because of disability. However, after witnessing Bill's determination Alan realized how valuable Bill is to the company. Eventually, he respects and admires Bill's dedication and achievement. Among all the characters, my favorite are Bill Potter, Shelley Brady, and Gladys Sullivan. I admire him because he never gives up. Even after facing countless rejection and many difficult situations, He proved that success comes from hard work and perseverance, not from only perfection. I also like Shelley because she is a truly loyal fan. She always supports Bill while respecting his independence and never treats him as someone who is incapable. Another favorite of mine is Gladys Sullivan. He's one of the first people who believes in Bill. While many customers reject him, Gladys welcomes him warmly and treats him with kindness and respect. One on the other hand, the character I like the least are the rude customer who judge Bill because of his disability. There is a scene in a restaurant where people laugh at him.
Billy, this is for you. It being your first day.
Dad's watch.
Dad's watch.
They gave it to him in the grand ballroom, the Drake Hotel.
And there are also homeowners who slam the door in his face without giving him a chance to speak.
I don't think you know that.
Yeah, I think their behavior is unfair because they judge Bill only by his appearance instead of his character. And yeah guys, now let's move on the plot of the movie. So the story begins in 1955 when Bill Potter dreams of becoming a door-to-door salesman. Although he has cerebral palsy, he wants to live independently and earn his own income. With the support of his mother, Irene, Bill applies for a job at Watkins Company. At first the manager rejects him because of his disability. However, Bill refuses to give up. He keeps asking for an opportunity until the manager finally gives him the company's most difficult sales route. During his first days as a salesman, Bill experiences many rejection. Many people close the door before he can even finish introducing himself. And someone laugh at him while others refuse to listen simply because his physical condition. Even though these experiences are painful, but Bill continues walking from one house to another every single day. As time passes, Bill's kindness, honesty, and perseverance slowly change people's opinion. His customers begin to trust him not only because of the product he sells, but also because of genuine relationship he built with them. Throughout years of hard work, Bill becomes one of Watkins' most successful salesmen and eventually received the Salesman of the Year award. Unfortunately, guys, Bill's personal life is not always happy. His beloved mother developed Alzheimer's disease and her condition gradually worsened before she eventually passes away. Losing his mother is one of the hardest moments in Bill's life. After that, Shelley Brady becomes his driver, assistant, and loyal friend, helping him continue his work and while supporting him emotionally. As Bill grows older, he is seriously injured in a traffic accident while returning home from work. yeah, his physical condition became much weaker. But after recovering, he returned to the Watkins company. But by this time, the company has started shifting from traditional door to door sales to telemarketing. Shelley tries help by setting up a telephone and typewriter in Bill's home so he can continue working from home. However, Bill refuses because he believes that a real salesman should meet customer face to face. For Bill, selling is not just about selling products. It's about meeting people, build trust, and creating meaningful relationships. Later, a newspaper article recognizes Bill's remarkable career and dedication. The article reminds everyone how much Bill has contributed not only to the company but also to the community he has served for decades. In the final scene, Bill returns to the street and walks his route once again. The ending beautifully shows that his greatest success is not the number of products he sold, but the lives he touched through his kindness, dedication, and perseverance. There are many scenes that I really enjoy in this movie. So one of my favorite scenes is when Bill gets his first loyal customer because it marks the beginning of his success. I also like the moment when he receives the Salesman of the Year award because it shows that a lot of his hard work pays off. And another memorable scene is when the bus driver waits a few extra minutes for Bill, guys. Although it seems like a simple act, but it shows that people have started respecting and caring about Bill. I also love the scene where people around Bill help him with simple daily tasks after his mother health declines. Those moments show that kindness often comes back to people who have spent their lives being kind to others. And one of the most touching scenes is when Irene writes the word patient and persistent on Bill's lunch bread. Those words become the values that guide Bill throughout his life, guys. And the part I like the least is when Bill is rejected or treated badly because of disability. Watching people laugh at or slam the door in his face it's heartbreaking. It's a heartbreaking moment, guys, because Bill simply wants an opportunity to do his job honestly. But those scenes remind us how harmful this can be, guys. And after I watching this movie, I learned many valuable lessons. The movie teach us to work hard, be patient, never give up, and believe in ourselves. It also reminds us to treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their physical condition. Bill proves that success is not determined by physical ability but by perseverance, honesty, and compassion. His life shows that even small acts of kindness can leave a lasting impact on other people. Overall, I really enjoy watching Door to Door movie. It's emotional, inspiring, and full of meaning life lessons, guys. I would highly recommend this movie to my friends and anyone who needs motivation. You guys, please watch this movie. More importantly, this movie reminds us that building genuine relationship with others is far more valuable than achieving success alone. Thank you so much for watching my review. I hope you enjoy it and start to watching that movie. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.